Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby. I'm a braider based in Kwara State, Nigeria, and in today's video we're going to be doing a color blend. We'll be blending two colors, color 30 and the color 350, and this video is going to be in two sections. I'm going to be walking you through the process of cutting the hair and then also walk you through the process of blending the extension. So the extension we're using today is expression in 75 inches, and the hair is not pre-stretched, so we're going to be going ahead to pre-stretch the hair as well as blending the hair. So when you're using like an unpre-stretched hair, you are basically going to be stretching it while you are blending the extension, so it's like a two-in-one process kind of thing. And then my client wants to do a mid-back length knotless braids, so I'm going to be dividing this 75 inches of hair into three equal parts, and that's basically what I'll be doing in this part of the video. I'm just trying to make sure that all the three parts are equal, they have equal length, and that's basically all I'm doing for this part of this video. So when I get all the parts equally and I've made sure that all the three parts have equal length, I'm just going to go on ahead to take my scissors and then I'm going to divide it. I'm going to cut through it in the middle. And now that we've done that, we're just going to go into the blending process, and then I'm going to make sure that I brush my hair out first, just to make sure that it is easy to work with and then there's no tangle. And yeah, we are going to start with the blending process. Nothing different, nothing unique. We're just going to keep dividing the extension, putting it back, dividing it, putting it back, and yeah, you keep doing that until you get exactly the color that you are looking for or what you want. You can either not blend it completely, like leave some colors, like make some colors very visible, or blend it completely where you cannot even tell what colors you have used. I plan to blend my own completely so that like both colors are lost and you cannot like find them in each other, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that is basically all we're going to be doing for this video. I really hope that you enjoy it and you watch till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, turn on post notification, and share to your friends if you find this video interesting and insightful. If you have any other questions or color blend requests or any video requests, just let me know down in the comment section and I'll be sure to do that. Till my next video, bye guys.